You're on this video because you're looking for a good camera. I want to show you this one real quick because picture quality is important. Before I start, I'm limited of the video footage that I could show you because Amazon filter requires you not to disclose any personal information or show other people in the video. So therefore, the video footage that you're seeing right now that has been recorded with this camera, it is a little bit limited in scope because I have to pass the scrutiny of the Amazon posted videos. But this camera is actually pretty good. This is a 4K camera. It records very, very good quality forward, and then it has, I think, pretty decent quality looking backwards. This one is a suction cup. It goes on top of your windshield and then it just locks there and it stays there. It's pretty good as far as that goes. It's adjustable. You could change it left and right. So if a cop stops you, you could also turn it around and then you could record everything that is happening over this window. I really, really like that feature because a lot of the times you want to have documentation as far as that goes. It has a built-in battery in it, so there is a little bit of a capacitor or capacity built in. It doesn't stay charged for long. It doesn't stay charged. It's not like a Sentry system that, for example, Teslas have, but it still records a little bit after you turn off the car. It comes with very, very long cords for the charger. Also, it comes with a very, very long cord for the rear camera. So this is the rear camera. It's going to be physically mounted into a fixed position into a windshield. As far as the kit goes, this is one of the few cameras that comes with a 64 gig memory stick on it, so you don't have to buy a separate memory stick. So you have everything that you need in the box when you buy this camera. It is also Wi-Fi, so it has a very, very intuitive app. So you could connect wirelessly to it. It has a Wi-Fi setting, and then you could connect directly with your phone to it. Now, one of the things that does not have GPS, and that is a feature that don't necessarily need, but is nice to have. There are other cameras maybe that have the GPS feature built in. This one doesn't have it, but that's also reflected into the price. It's very, very affordable as far as that goes. And if I would have to say, I would highly recommend to look into the 4K cameras just because of the picture quality. But with that being said, USB-C on the side, all the menu buttons are here on the side, so you could control it from the menu buttons. You have a big screen here in the back, and then you could also connect via Wi-Fi, and you could pull information out of it that way. Also, the memory stick is removable. I like that. You can put it into your computer, get the information out much faster. It's synchronized and kept in two separate folders, so you have to synchronize the file from one folder to the other. But otherwise, it's pretty easy to use. There's a lot of cameras that record these days, and it's really, really hard to pick a good one, but I am very, very happy with the one that I got. This is the box that comes in. So very, very simple box. You have pretty good documentation. Doesn't really have a brand name on it, but it is 4K, and then also it's a 360 camera, so you can turn it around, which I really, really like. And it has parking protection, so theoretically it has 24-hour monitoring when the car is parked. The camera does turn off after a while. If your car battery cannot provide power to it, mine doesn't. From the cigarette lighter, I cannot use the 24-hour monitoring. There is a battery built in, and it stays on for a little bit, but it's very, very limited. You have to have a car that can provide power to the camera to be able to use that feature. In my case, unfortunately, my car doesn't provide that. And also they will drain the battery, so you want to keep that in mind if you keep your car parked for a long time.